Today, I'm going to help you with the words your, and yours. Let's look at the possessive your, Y-O-U-R, as in it's your choice, your library, and open your eyes. Let's practice the pronunciation of your and your. When we say these words slowly or with emphasis, we say your. This is your phone. But if I'm speaking at my normal speed, I say your. This is your phone. This is your phone. Your. Your. You try. Repeat after me. Your. Both words, your and your, can be pronounced your. And it's the same with yours. Again, when I'm saying the word slowly or with emphasis or stress, I would say, this is yours. This phone is yours. However, when I'm speaking at my normal pace, I say yours. Yours. This is yours. This phone is yours. This toy is yours. This newspaper is yours. No, it's not. It's yours. Let's look at the contraction you are. Your. Or, if I say it quickly, your. Your goes with an adjective, like you're happy, you're sad, you're angry. Or it can be used with a verb or action, like you're going to the store, you're working today. Notice I'm saying you're, but if I want to stress it or if I'm speaking slowly, I would say, you're working today. You're going to school. You're going to practice English, right? But if I want to say those sentences quickly, I would say, you're going to work. You're going to school. You're going to learn English. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please remember to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications. And if you didn't like the video, go on, subscribe anyway. I dare you. Thanks for watching. Bye! I dare you.